This is Butch Lieber with Desert Fairways Realty with your monthly market update. For the first market update of the year, let's look at some of the numbers for the resale home market here in the Valley. The biggest change between this January and last year is the number of homes for sale. We are down nearly 14% in inventory. Starting the year with 14% fewer homes for sale is really bad news for buyers. Even with an expected increase in listings to arrive over the next few months, they will probably have 65% fewer choices than normal. Bidding wars will likely continue in the lower half of the market, and they'll probably get even more intense. In more news buyers won't want to hear, but sellers will enjoy, the current imbalance between supply and demand generates upward pressure on pricing. The median sales price increased nearly 9% over last year, and price per square foot also increased over 8%. The annual sales rate increased just over 6%. Here's a little history of the number of homes sold over the last few years. There really is no consistency in this. Currently, supply has dropped much further than demand. So unless there is a major shift in direction, it makes sense to expect prices to rise faster in 2018 than they did in 2017. And in theory, higher prices could lead to further cuts in demand. One more dark cloud. Mortgage rates have been increasing for the last few months. Homeowners seem to prefer the terms of the loan they already have to the terms they could get on a new loan. This could reduce both supply and demand even further. But it would help companies that specialize in remodeling and renovation. All this data applies exclusively to the market below $1 million, which accounts for 98% of the market. However, the 2% of the market over $1 million benefits from having 12% of the active listings. That's 6 times its reasonable share. So buyers who plan to spend over $1 million are in really good shape, and sellers at that price point don't have a lot of negotiating power. If you want more market information or have questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Maybe it's time for you to talk with Butch. I am Butch Lieber, associate broker and co-owner of Desert Fairways Realty, and I want to help you and your family and friends find their happy place.